This is first time that I felt so much adrenaline and excitement. I started cycling as last guy, so I didn't have to worry about being overtaken. Overtake one rider. Few minutes later, another one. And another one. I was asking myself, am I too strong? Is this for real? I was so motivated. I was halfway through and I was in my hurting locker, but I kept going. It was hurting more and more, but I just kept going. I couldn't tell myself that I'm a failure. I finally reached last uphill section and I put every bit of energy that I got left into it. You can see me happy in this picture, but I was dying inside. Up top, I step down from bike, sit down on bench and take some minutes to get my heart rate back to normal. After some time, there was a result announcement, so I went inside. They started with woman and then man category. After 3 categories, my category finally came. I never raced before, so I didn't expect to win anything. But then, they say my name. I was so confused first few seconds, because they always start with winner of category. That day, I went to sleep happy with feeling that I'm finally doing something right. Next weekend, I plan to go to Piran, which is coast city 94 kilometers away. It's Sunday morning, so I pack some snacks and go. Road to Gare is mostly downhill, so it's pretty easy. It took me just over 3 hours to get to the sea. I took some pictures for my story, stopped at nearest restaurant and ordered pizza to get some calories back. It was hot sunny day, and after 30 minutes I went back home, which took me over 4 hours. This was my last long ride in year 2016. In winter, my cousin invited me to the gym, that's 50 minutes away from me. I was never in the gym before, so coach made me work out an eating schedule where I struggled at the start, but eventually it became habit. I went to gym 4 times a week and my favorite exercises were deadlifting, lying machine squats and leg presses. As you can see, all my favorite exercises were focusing legs. I don't know if this is coincidence or sign that I really love cycling. In 1 month I went from 60 to 70 kilos, made some really good friends and learned a lot about fitness and eating healthy. Everything was great there. Awesome coach, kind people, and especially loved great motivation that everyone was making. I built my muscles really fast, probably because I didn't have any at all. I noticed real difference in my arms and legs, because my arms could barely fit in my normal shirt and jeans were really tight in my thighs. I was 19 years old and I didn't have my driving license, so I was dependent on everyone else who had it. I had a part-time job as a student and most of the time I went to gym with my cousin, but soon our jobs didn't overlap, so I went to gym less and less. My sister drove me a couple times, parents told me that it's too far away for them to drive me there, and bus lines didn't go when I had time. I couldn't do anything, so I didn't do my workouts and eventually I stopped going to the gym. I really regret that I didn't have my driving license at the time, but I still remember a kind of funny and really awkward story that happened to me there. I was inside an office at the gym with my coach and another girl. They were sitting next to me and talking about her future bodybuilding career. There was a moment where he told her about how young she is, and I guess she looked at me at the same time and he saw that. He was silent for a few seconds. I didn't know why he stopped talking there, because I was only waiting for him. After that, he looked at both of us like he was worried that he said something that I shouldn't hear, like her age. He started apologizing that he didn't want to interfere in our relationship, like we were dating, which we didn't. That's why it was so freaking awkward. But after that, I had thoughts about me dating her. Don't judge me. If you were at my place, you'd think about it too. She started explaining that we aren't dating. He was looking kinda confused, but eventually they continued talking about her career. I felt so awkward that day. I guess she was too. Well, sometimes it randomly strikes without knowing and you can't help it. By the way, if you wanna get in shape, lose some weight or just do something for your body on a limited time, make sure to check out his fitness. You will get great support and motivation to achieve great things in life. Link will be in the description down below. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this kind of video, click that like button, subscribe and click bell icon down below. See ya!